Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about eyebrow lamination, a relatively new beauty treatment that has taken the industry by storm. If you're considering getting your eyebrows laminated, here are a few advantages that might sway your decision. Firstly, one of the biggest advantages of eyebrow lamination is that it requires very little maintenance. Once the treatment is complete, the hairs will stay in place for several weeks, meaning you won't have to fuss with your eyebrows every morning. This is especially useful for those with unruly or excessively thin eyebrows, as it allows them to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. Another advantage of eyebrow lamination is that the results last longer than other treatments, such as microblading or tinting. While these treatments may need to be repeated every few weeks or months, lamination results can last for up to 2 months. This makes it a more cost-effective option for those who want to maintain their eyebrows without the need for frequent touch-ups. One of the great things about eyebrow lamination is that it is highly customizable. The technician can choose the type of solution and technique used to suit your specific needs and desired results. This means that you can get the perfect shape, fullness, and style for your eyebrows. If you're concerned about the appearance of your eyebrows after the treatment, you'll be happy to know that eyebrow lamination creates a very natural look. The chemical solution is designed to lift and tame the hairs rather than changing their color or shape, so the final result looks like your own eyebrows, just better. Unlike other beauty treatments, eyebrow lamination is relatively quick and easy. The process takes around 4 to 5 minutes to an hour, and you'll be able to go about your day immediately after the treatment. This makes it a convenient option for those with busy schedules. Overall, eyebrow lamination is a great option for those who want to achieve a polished, natural-looking eyebrow shape with minimal maintenance. It's a versatile treatment that can be customized to suit your specific needs and preferences, and the results last longer than other treatments. Before I go, I want to tell you about our award-winning lamination kit, which is vegan and cruelty-free. It's perfect for those who want to try this treatment at home and achieve professional-looking results. So be sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.